Hello everyone. Today we're going to be getting rid of a background and making it transparent when there is complex hair that you can see here. Here we have a curly haired picture, and as you can see, we would need to get in between every single crack of the hair just to remove the background. I'm going to show you a simple way on how we can accomplish this. First, let's import our image. Let's double click on this layer to unlock it. We'll name it BG, and we'll duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J. We're going to hide the BG layer and rename this to main. And we're going to add another layer, and let's name this color. We're going to add an adjustment layer, a solid color, and we're going to select red. Now, the reason why we're selecting red is that once we start erasing the background, we can clearly see if we need to up our tolerance level on our background removal brush. So let's put this layer underneath main and click on main. Now on the toolbox, we need to select background eraser tool. If you can't see it, left click and hold, and you can see the flyout menu with 3 different options. It should be the one in the middle called background eraser tool. Let's go ahead and select that one. Now we can right click or go here to increase our brush size. I have my hardness at 100%. Now this seems just about right. Make sure that sampling once is selected and contiguous is selected for the limits right here. And tolerance, let me show you what tolerance is all about. Let's zoom in just a little bit here. Now, to use the background eraser tool, make sure you start from the background into the hair. Now, you can see that there's white. There's still white around the hair. That's what we don't want. So let's Control Z. Let's up it to, let's say, 50. Let's go ahead and draw again. And you can see that it's working fairly well, but it's still catching some of that white. Control Z, and we'll do 70. Now, if we go in, we can actually get a better result. And this is exactly what we are looking for. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and do the outside of the hair and speed it up. Okay, so I finished removing the background all the way around the hair and the body. As you can see, I went a little bit on her skin here and not quite reached her skin on the left side here. But we can fix that. That's why we have this hidden original layer. Let's go ahead and click on the main layer first and just adjust right here. Click on the eraser tool, left click, hold, and click on eraser, and just color over her skin. Now don't worry about that because we will fix it. Okay, so once we have that done, let's enable the background layer. Let's duplicate it. Okay, now that we duplicated the background image, let's go ahead and pop it up top. We'll name this extra. Okay. Now, where do we see the faults here? We see it here and we see it here. So let's cut out where exactly we need the image. Now let's go to the other side. And we'll hold shift so you can turn into a plus sign here and select this portion. We can control J or command J, uncheck the extras because we don't need it anymore. And now we can play around with this layer. So what exactly do we need? So we take the pen tool and we go all on the outside with the pen tool. Just draw like this. There we go. Now holding Control or Command, click on the shape layer to select it and click Delete. There we go. So now we have a nice clean edge here, and let's do the same thing to the other side. So where exactly? So we go all along the edge. So again, take the pen tool, or you can click P for pen tool. Let's go and clean this up. There we go. Holding down Alt, you can click once here so it won't be curved. And we go all the way up top. Like this. Again, holding down Command or Control, click on the shape layer and press Delete. And there you have it. Perfect. Now we can turn off. We can get rid of these. We don't need them. We don't need the extra anymore. And if you turn it off, you can see that the background is now fully transparent. Let's remove all the white. So all we have to do is use the lasso tool, go all the way around the hair. And press delete. There we go. So now we fully isolated the woman and the hair, and to test out how it looks, we can create a layer, or you can click here to create a layer. We can hit black and we can do adjustment layer black. Perfect. Seamless. Now you see there's a little bit of artifacts here. That's a little bit from the background. Easy. Click here, go to eraser tool, and just remove them. Perfect. So there you have it, folks. You've isolated the hair, and you now have the freedom to put any background that you want behind an image. It's fairly simple, fairly quick, and very easy to do. So thank you for watching. Leave your comments below or any questions that you might have. And I am going to be trying to post a tutorial every day. So stick around. If you like it, please subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or something that you'd like me to demonstrate, also leave it in the comments section and I'll go ahead and make a video for you. Thanks for watching.